For how long will you play hide and seek, Sakshi? Why do you do all this? You know something? What happens if someone troubles me a lot? Or are you really tired of your life and want to go to your daughter? Do you remember how your daughter died, right?
Pooja did not die. You have killed her. You killed both Pooja and Yash. You are a murderer, Anjana. You are a murderer.
Aditya, thank you so much for this. Can we go home?
Hold on. Ready?
Ready for?
Bottoms up. Here you go.
Thank you.
Shall we?
Hold on, I've got a call.
He's looking at me. It's good. You look at me. He'll understand that we are made for each other. He's smart, he's a doctor. He should understand that she is not for him.
You were thinking about me, right? I know why you came here at this hour. The bill and all that was just an excuse. The actual reason is something else.
What do you mean by that?
Zoya.
What could I do, The mother and daughter are alike. Stuck to my son like glue. You won't be at peace until you take all that he has, right? What did you think? Your daughter will cheat on my son and have fun with someone else, and I will do nothing at all?
Pooja made a mistake. But what you did, that is a crime. Not just one. You have killed 3 people, Anjana. You have killed 3 people. Pooja, Yash, and their child who was about to be born. I will surely inform Aditya and Zoya about this. I will tell them that Pooja and Yash's death wasn't an accident. It was a well-planned murder.
Yes, it was not an accident. There is a saying, God cannot be everywhere, that's why there are mothers. And since God was not there to punish them, that is why I had to do that.
have murdered all three of them, Anjana. And all these months, without a care, you are freely walking around all dressed up? Do you have a conscience or anything soulful in you? You have killed someone, Anjana. And look at you, you don't regret it at all?
Regret for what? I did nothing wrong, then what should I regret for? I cannot stand the fact that my son will go through the bad phase what I have been through when Harsh left me. And I went to Pooja. I requested her, Sakshi, to leave Yash and come back to my son. That is when I got to know that Pooja is pregnant with Yash's baby. That is when I lost it.
What if the scenario had been the other way around? Had Adi cheated on Pooja and made another girl pregnant? Even then I can say it with confidence that I or any normal person would not take such a drastic step despite the sorrow. You are a murderer. You are a criminal!
Enough, Sakshi! Stop your lecture now. You lecture me sometime, you lecture my son sometime, and that is why I keep him away from you. But you know what? Now I am bored with your lecture. And you know way too much about me now. That is why it would be better that you get out of my life forever.
You can kill me, Anjana, but you cannot erase the truth. The truth will be revealed eventually. And that Adi and Zoya are together. Just watch. Sooner or later, they will learn the truth about you. I'm sure about that.
You may not have liked the fact that I came here with Zoya so late in the night. You may be thinking that only you were a part of Zoya's life till now. And all of a sudden, who's Dr. Arshad and why is he always around her? You must be feeling very protective about her.
Exactly. That's exactly what I'm feeling. This is what I'm thinking, experiencing, which is why I followed the two of you here.
Aditya, do you know, only the fortunate are blessed with such friendship. Zoya is very lucky to have a friend like you.
Friend?
Yes. You guys are best friends, right? I understood this the same day when you were feeding her noodles. I understood your friendship that same day. And that is why I want to know whether I'm right for her or not. And you also want to know that I won't cause her any harm because you don't want to see her in any trouble again. I understand that, Aditya. and I want to tell you this. I wanted to tell you this, that when you were cheering with chips and coffee, at that time I thought that in this entire world nobody can understand Zoya like you do.
Neither do I understand Zoya, nor do I try to understand her. In fact, Zoya is a feeling which I feel at every moment in my life.
So true, Aditya. There is no one like Zoya.
Zoya is from today's generation, but she is not limited to this generation. She is timeless.
That she is. She has that innocence and that honesty which is not found nowadays.
And do you know what's her best quality? She never compromises on her principles. No matter how many problems she will face, she doesn't have a clue as to how strong she's from within. She gets scared, but she never accepts defeat. What can I say about Zoya? Zoya is special to me. There is nobody like her in the world.
Wow, Aditya. If I didn't know that you and Zoya are best friends, then I would think you are in love with Zoya as well.
Who will reveal the truth, huh? You?
Yes. I will reveal the truth.
Be it 3 murders or 4. There is only one punishment, right? Say hi to Pooja on my behalf, Sakshi. Goodbye. Now there is no witness, nor is there any truth. And Zoya, Adi, they were never together, nor will I ever let them be together.
Aditya, I want a help from you.
What kind of help?
In these 2 weeks, I want to show her that there's no one better than me in this world for her. And only you can convince her. Aditya, I know what your answer will be. Won't it be that you neither know her nor recognize her? But Aditya, you won't believe that during these 2 days, the connection that I felt with her is eternal, Aditya. Can I have my dance partner, please?
He said he will need 2 weeks. And if he convinces me in those 2 weeks that he is the one for me, then then I can accept this alliance, right? And I said yes, Aditya.
She is the same girl whom I've waited for my entire life. In fact, she's even better. Aditya, I want to spend the rest of my life with her and I would like to marry her. But I would need your help for this. She will never refuse you. If you can convince her, then she will give her consent for the marriage. Please help me. You'll help me, won't you?
Why, Sakshi? After all, you made me a murderer. What could I do, Sakshi? I just wanted to save my son from both of you. What do I do? I'm a mother after all. For the sake of my sons, I can do anything. You wanted to tell Adi the truth. But the truth about that night has ended forever with you.
Aditya, I'm sure you'll help me. Of course you will help me. Who else apart from you will help me? You are her best friend. And you will not want a good boy to slip out of her hands, isn't it?
You became friends the moment I went out.
Zoya, from now your friend is my friend too.
Can we go, friend?
Yes, of course.
It's raining, it's raining. Ooh.
You will help us, of course. Who else apart from you will help us? You are her best friend after all. And you don't want a good boy to slip out of her hands, isn't it?
Calm down, Anjana. Calm down. They are coming over here.
It seems your desolate place is famous and many people visit this place.
They must have read the same article too. Now. Excuse me, guys. Hello?
Which car will Zoya go in? Arshad's car or mine?
Zoya, there's an emergency at the hospital and I'll have to go. I hope it is okay with you. Aditya, if you don't mind, will you drop her home, please?
I would have anyway dropped her, don't worry. Bye.
Thank you, Aditya. See you soon, Zoya.
Thank you.
Zoya.
You can kill me, Anjana, but not the truth. The truth will be exposed one day for sure. Now Adi and Zoya are together, and they will surely know the truth about you one day. For sure.
I wiped out all the proof. Only her phone is left. Where did I keep her phone? I had kept it in my bag. Where is the phone? Did it fall when I opened the bag to take out the medicines? Oh God, I must find that phone.
Zoya, I want to say something really
Oh
important
dear
to
God. My earring?
you. Earring?
One of my earrings have fell down. Aditya, that earring was very precious for me. My dad gifted
What
to me on
happened?
my birthday, Aditya.
We'll find it out. Shall we look outside? Come. Zoya, I want to say something important to you.
Adi.
Arshad,
Do you even know what I'm looking for, Aditya?
the earring that is lost.
Do you know what my earring looks like, Aditya? It's a silver earring with a tiny bell on it, and Dad gave it to me. It was made by Delhi artisans. Dad will be so angry and Mom will kill me.
Whenever you lose anything at all, I will retrieve and get it back for you, be it your earring or your heart, okay?
Heart?
Your other earring will look like this one, right?
You know, I've become such a fool in your company. I mean, sorry. Come, let's find my earring.
What are they still doing here? Anyway, the phone. My car was there. The phone, the wallet was there. No, please.